This is our step-by-step installation method for installing exterior tile grout. Exterior tile grout is a flexible and fast-setting grout, which is perfect for jointing granite or porcelain paving. Today, we are going to be using exterior tile grout on a porcelain paving project. You will need the following products and tools to complete this installation: exterior tile grout, temporary surface sealer, short pile mini roller or microfiber cloth, paddle mixer, rubber faced float grouter, a measuring jug, square cut sponge or wash boy. Before you get started, ensure the temperature is between 5 to 25 degrees. If you are working in direct sunlight, we recommend covering the working area with a gazebo to prevent the grout from curing too quickly. Allow 24 hours since the last flag was laid before commencing any jointing to ensure no draw through from the bedding material. Ensure that the paving and full depth of the joints are free from debris or bedding mortar. It is recommended to use a leaf blower to remove any excess water, as the area will need to be dry before applying the temporary sealer. To ease clean down and prevent any staining on the flag, we highly recommend the use of a temporary surface sealer before grouting. Empty the temporary surface sealer into a container. To apply the sealer to the surface of the flag, use a short pile mini roller or microfiber cloth. Apply a generous layer to the full face of the flag, ensuring no sealer gets into the joint. Allow the temporary sealer to completely dry before commencing any jointing. Please refer to the instructions on the back of your sealer for recommended drying times. Using your measuring jug, accurately fill with 625 ml of water and mix it with a 2.5 kg bag of exterior tile grout. For best results, always add the exterior tile grout into the required amount of water. Using a paddle mixer, slowly mix the grout in a rigid mixing tub for no longer than 2 minutes until a smooth consistency is achieved. Using a rubber-faced float grouter, work the mixed grout into the joints until they are completely filled. Remove any excess grout from the surface of the paving immediately using the float grouter. Before the grout begins to set, gently wipe either side of the joint with a damp square cut sponge or wash boy, ensuring that any excess grout is removed from the surface of the flag. Never use a wet sponge, as this will add unwanted moisture into the joint. At this stage, be careful not to work the joint itself, as any excess water can impact performance and colour. If using a wash boy, make sure to run the sponge over the rollers repeatedly until all excess water is removed. Once the grout has started to cure and has some resistance, the secondary clean down can take place. Again, ensure that all excess water is removed from the sponge or wash boy so that they are damp, not soaked. Once your installation is complete, for best results, we recommend cleaning the area 24 hours later with a light pressure wash. For more details, the full installation guidelines can be downloaded from our website.